Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about cobblestones. As always, if you need additional information, in the text box below are links to various websites, including one that'll take you out to Amazon that has all 12 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series for sale. Cobblestone streets have been around since ancient times, being labor-intensive to install, but durable and weather-resistant while providing the allures of history, charm, and romance. Hundreds of years have gone by on San Miguel de Allende's cobblestone streets that prevented mud from draining water. All the while, hundreds of donkeys, horses, taxis, wedding parties, funeral processions, mojigangas, dust, rain, and movie stars have come and gone, yet the immortal stone remains. Cobblestones offer a free foot massage, and, like with sand on the beach, foot doctors on my tours have told me how the uneven surfaces activate nerve endings in your feet that delay the onset of dementia. Also, uneven cobblestones over town offer the sensual moniker of, quote, the city of fallen women.